Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a scrunchie. Enjoy! To make the scrunchie, we'll be needing a piece of fabric measuring 16 by 3 inches. We'll also need a 9-inch elastic. First, we're going to fold the fabric right sides together. Then I'll pin. So I'm going to sew along the long side of the fabric. So when I'm sewing, I'm going to start 2 inches from the top and end like 2 inches away from the end. So I'll start sewing 2 inches from the top. Don't forget to backstitch. So I'll turn the fabric to the outside. So after ironing your fabric, you're going to take the 2 ends and place them right sides facing, like so. And matching all the raw edges. Then I'm going to sew these two short sides together. So I'll trim off my threads. So once you've sewn the two short ends, you'll have a tube with a space. So next, we're just going to thread our elastic using the safety pin. So I've put the safety pin on one end of the elastic. So I'm going to thread it through the tube. I'm just going to attach the other end to here so that I don't lose my elastic. So once you pull it through, so once I've pulled my elastic through, I can just tie the ends. The next thing is just to close up this gap. So you can use your hand sewing needle or your sewing machine to do that. And that's your scrunchie all sewn up. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again next time. Bye.